Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to delete Trust Wallet transaction history full guide. First, back up your seed phrase and confirm you have copied it correctly, then close the app and enable airplane mode so no changes sync. Next, clear the app cache and local data in settings, or remove and reinstall the app after backup. Finally, re-import your wallet using your seed phrase and verify balances. Now we'll walk through each step with clear instructions. Start by writing down your seed phrase exactly as shown and store it offline. Open Trust Wallet settings and choose the option to clear cache or clear app data depending on your device. If you prefer a fresh start, uninstall then reinstall and restore using your seed phrase. Finish by checking your wallet balances and token list to ensure everything restored correctly. I'll share friendly privacy tips to keep your wallet activity more discreet. Use a VPN when managing funds, avoid public Wi-Fi, and never share your seed phrase in any chat. For added separation, create a fresh wallet for sensitive transactions instead of relying solely on clearing local history. Regularly review connected apps and revoke permissions you no longer use to minimize exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.